everybody, thanks for watching. This is Pita. This is our new Foxy Taco Terrier. She is a 17-year-old puppy that we inherited and we love her to death. She's from a southern climate and is not used to the cold. We still have 2 feet of snow in April where we live. So we have to get a SPOTBOT here. And today we're going to do an unboxing of this Bissell spot and stain cleaner. It's using their advanced cleaning system. But I wanted to show you why we're going to get it, because this little angel here sometimes has accidents. Oh, what do you hear? Okay, let's get to the unboxing. Okay everybody, you just saw Pita, our adorable little new dog, and now we're going to do an unboxing and a review of this SPOTBOT spot cleaning system by Bissell. So without further ado, let's open the box up and see what's inside. Here we go. It says right on top the carton contents. Gonna have a 3-inch tough stain tool, a user's guide, and an 8-ounce bacterial or an 8-ounce trial size of their Bissell deep clean formula. And it's not pictured here. We have this brush and this machine and the directions. Right on top, here's a little sample size. A big size of these things. It's a little expensive, about $20, but they work really well. And there's your little scrub brush. Pretty simple. Handle. We'll lift it straight up. Alright, here's the machine. Weighs about 12 or 13 pounds, and that's an empty weight. It's a good looking machine. Has a reservoir up here for the clean water, and I think this is the dirty water that comes out here. Has an integrated handle on top so you can pick it up and carry it around. You know, it's not too heavy, it's not necessarily feather light. On this side you have, it looks like, an area to wrap the cord. Yeah, this cord is 15 feet long, I believe. And what I liked about this is the automated function of it. You can see on the bottom, the business end, it has a clear circular plastic shield and then a rotating brush with a couple scrapers. That is the business end of the machine. You're going to set that on the spot and set it to a function to automatically clean. Now some of the functions you can set it to are right here. You can have a quick clean, a deep clean, or the hose tool. The hose tool is nice if you want to do something like, let's say, an accident on the stairs or upholstery, or you know, everything happens in a car and you don't want to get out the big vacuum shampooer in the car. So let's see, push button removable hose. It says push to remove the hose. It slides out there. It's kind of cool, looks like a little lightsaber. But you put that scrubbing tool on the end of this, has water jet action right here, so it's the whole thing just in a handheld unit. I'm sure you push this to send out the moisture and the soap. So we're going to put this to use today. I'll take it downstairs, and an adorable little dog does make accidents, and we don't want to haul out the big shampooer every time. So we're going to do a review on this. Price on this, again, April 2018, $150 advertised. Online, we got it for $137. Let's take it downstairs and try it on a spot. Okay, here we are near the living room, and this is a spot of a recent accident from last night. We did spot it a little bit with some pre-treatment stuff, but we're going to use this as our inaugural test for the Bissell SPOTBOT. First thing I need to do is pull off this clean water and soap reservoir. We'll take that over and fill it up. Okay, it has a quick adapter if you have some soaps that can just push down in there. I believe this one that they sent with it is the easy fill system, is what they call it. I'm not going to use that, we're going to do the old-fashioned way. But I'm going to fill it full of hot water up to the water line. Okay, put it up to the fill line, and it does say to add the formula last. And I'm just going to fill it up to the top formula line. This just sets back on there. Plug it in, you're ready to go. Okay, we have the soap and the hot water in here. We've plugged it in. We can see on the top we have the power button illuminated, the red light there. Now we can do a couple different things. We can do the quick clean, which is a 3-minute cycle, the deep clean, which is a 6-minute cycle, and a hose tool if we want. So I'm going to select the deep clean and set it over the spot there on the right. A couple other things to note. There in the directions it does say that you may need to dry vacuum the area first. And you may have to pick up some debris with a rag. We did spot this over here with one of our basically we call them dog towels, these throwaway towels that we use to spot up messes. So it's been blotted anyway for that. But now we're going to go ahead and set this thing on there and press the button and run it on the 6-minute cycle. Okay, it goes under there nicely. And to zoom in, press start and zoom in, deep clean. Sounds like a vacuum. You can see the water coming up in the hose. Neat. The brush rotates both ways. I can see the water coming up in the collection hose and the reservoir filling full of dirty water. I haven't really noticed the water going down in the clean water soap reservoir yet. Okay, it's been going for a few minutes now, and it's got a little cycle that I've been able to figure out. Right now it's just scrubbing. The brush either goes clockwise or counterclockwise. It switches directions and it just stops, and then the vacuum starts and brings up the moisture. Then you can hear it apply more hot water and soap mixture. So that'll cycle several times. At least that's what I watched this time. Alright, I was in the kitchen talking with my wife and we heard a beeping sound a couple times. Come over here and I see the green light by the done is flashing, so we're going to assume that this is done, and this is our big reveal. So drum roll if we got it. So I can tell the spot is clean by looking at what I didn't get underneath that little protective circular clear plastic splash guard, I guess. But all this is clean, so I'm going to do it one more time. We missed a little spot right there on the edge, but that's pretty impressive. I'll take a picture with a flash here to compare. We're going to run it one more time so I cover that spot. So simply just set it on top, and there's excess soap in here. I didn't use it all by any means. We'll press deep clean again. Excellent. Okay, the second 6-minute deep cleaning cycle went off. I'm going to move this. And we've got a couple circles there. I'm going to turn off the light on this camera. There we are. As far as moisture, yeah, I run my hand over it. And I have a wet hand. So what I do after this is, of course, blot it with a clean cloth and probably put a fan on it for a little while. But I'm actually pretty impressed. Once I operate this, I can go into the other room and do my thing. I was in the kitchen having a muffin just now while I was running. So overall, my first impression of this Bissell SPOTBOT is favorable. It's convenient to use, it's simple to use. We've run 2 cycles and we've gone through less than half of the soap and water. So I'm going to carry this to the next spot in the house and keep going. Price again, about $150. You can do better on sales. Convenience pulled it out of the box and you can be ready to go in 5 minutes. And performance, I'd say off that first and second go, really impressed. So I give this thing a thumbs up. So if you get a beautiful little foxy taco terrier named Pita, make sure you get one of these things too. Thumbs up and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.